Hey guys, it's your girl Jax, also known as Jax Sanchez TV. Another video coming at y'all real quick. I am so proud of myself right now. Today's look is just all about being quick and out the door. If you have like 15-20 minutes to spare right before like a night out or drinks after work, or if you want to bump up your makeup after work, or if you're a mum like me, you don't have lots of time to get ready, then this is the perfect tutorial for you. I used 2 products on my eyes. It is a full face glam, but let me tell you, I use the bare minimum of products. I hope you guys like this look, and please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below and do all of the good stuff that helps me be me. Okay? If you guys want to learn how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. So Marc Jacobs Beauty has launched these beautiful gel powder eyeshadows. These are called the Omega eyeshadows. They come in 9 shades. Look at the size of these pans. They are so generous. They have a 12-hour long wear formula, and it is so buttery. And let me tell you, when this applies, it is so pigmented and blends out like a dream. And as you can see, no fallout. It's the gel coated pigments that just deliver like an instant kind of impact, so to say. So the shade that I'm using is OMG. I've just placed this in my crease with a fluffy brush and blended out the edges. I want to create like a halo eye, so I'm just going to use a flat packing eyeshadow brush. I'll just place this in the beginning and the end of my eyelid, leaving the middle bare. Marc Jacobs Beauty has also launched these beautiful Highliner Glam Glitter Eye Crayons. They are packed with pigment, and I love that they have glitter in it, so I can use these glitter eyeliners without having to worry about the glitter falling all over my face. And once these set, they become smudge proof, waterproof. I'm just obsessed with them. Grab Glitz Blitz and just place this right in the center of my lid where we've left that space bare. And now just applying a few coats of my fave mascaras ever, the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. And for lashes, I'm using the Noir Fairy by House of Lashes. I'm going to leave the eyes for now. Now priming my face using the Marc Jacobs Beauty Coconut Primer, which is so hydrating, and my skin was just feeling so dry today. And for foundation, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Beauty Shameless Foundation. When I apply this foundation, it just looks like I'm applying another layer of skin. I love foundations that, like, they give me coverage and even out my skin tone, but they still make me look healthy and it still looks like skin. So this is one of my top faves for sure. And I've just grabbed a stippling brush and I'm just blending that in, just buffing that straight into the skin. Now going in with NARS's Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. A few dots under my eyes, down the center of my face, and just using a damp beauty blender or sponge to buff that all out. To set the under eyes, I'm using Kat Von D's Lock-It Translucent Powder. Now just grabbing that damp beauty blender and just pouncing that under my eyes until it all disappears. And finishing the eyes off with a bit more of OMG Omega eyeshadow by Marc Jacobs Beauty. I want to create the same halo effect on the bottom lash line, so I'm just going to follow the exact same steps for the top on the bottom. And now for some structure on my face, using this Hoola powder by Benefit Cosmetics, just placing this right under my cheekbones. This will carve out my face, give me a bit more structure on my forehead, just where the sun would naturally hit as well, down the sides of my nose to kind of contour my nose as well. For a bit of color, going in with this California blush by Benefit Cosmetics, just on the apples of my cheeks. And for highlight, I'm going in with these Marc Jacobs Do You Dewdrops. I love using cream products to highlight, especially when I feel like I'm having a good skin day. And to finish off, I'm using this lip gloss by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Caramel. So that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I love it. I think it'll look so beautiful on so many people. As I said, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and a huge shout out to Marc Jacobs Beauty for working with me. It has been a dream come true. Thanks to all of you guys who support me, my family and my kids, and love me for me and can appreciate my artistry. It means everything to me, and I mean that from the bottom of my soul. I love you guys all so much, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Okay, bye. Mwah.